Why traditional marketing? The reasons why traditional marketing is preferred are: 1. Easy connectivity with the target audience. 2. Save hard copies. 3. Easily recognizable. 4. High reach. 1. Easy connectivity with the target audience. Advertisements can be placed on the local news dailies and channels of the concerned geographical area to target the prospective customers easily. 2. Save hard copies. Customers can save the hard copies of the ads placed in the newspaper or magazine, which they are interested in, so as to refer them when they wish to buy that product or service. They can also share those copies with their friends, relatives, and acquaintances, who require that product. 3. Easily recognizable. People are quite accustomed to the conventional ads, as they are being used for a long time, and so they understand and recognize it easily. 4. High reach. Traditional marketing channels have a large customer base, and so a single ad can reach millions of customers of the area in just one circulation. Further, people living in those areas where there is no internet access or there is a lack of network connectivity can also be reached through this medium.